gotta stick it out that way. Cars on that side.
Cars on this side too.
I had the window down when it's sticking out
Y'all look at these cars. Look at this. Look at these cars, y'all. Look over there. Look. Look at this. Let them go, John. Go on, baby, with that big old hoopty hoop. Yeah. Y'all remember these? Y'all remember these? Station wagon. Up, up. I know it. All right, y'all. That's the end of it. I got it at the last minute.
How you think I take it that time when that was on?
Good afternoon, you guys. How y'all doing today? Yeah, I'm talking. So I had to pull myself back because I went and brought. First of all, how y'all doing? So I don't know if I used it wrong or what, but it's not working for me. I don't like it. I'm looking to give it away. What did I do with it? I stuck it in my purse somewhere. I'm finna show y'all. One hot second. Oh my God, really? I can't find it. I can't even find it. Oh. So, it's not working for me. It fell all the way back into the back of my wig on the inside. And then my wig started sliding through. I did everything I could to keep this on. Y'all see this? It's not working for me. So I would not be using this no more. So I didn't like that hump right here. I didn't like it. I didn't like that hump. Yeah, so I got my wig sitting back on top of the cap. The lace cap. The fishnet cap. You know? So it ain't work for me, and I'm pissed because I had to take it off while we was driving. Yes, I did. I took it off while we was driving because it was itching and it kept falling back, and the wig was coming back. So it don't hold. It's not holding mine. So I'm sticking to my glue. I'm sticking to my method. You guys can have it. I don't want it. I will never use it again. I'll probably use it for a hairband when I go to bed at night. But anyway, I just want to come on and say hello. How y'all doing? What's going on? Yes, I got on makeup. I look pretty. I look flawless. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Thumbs it up. Holla at y'all later.